In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign into your Steam account and, more importantly, how to ensure your account security is configured properly for 2026. Steam remains the world's most popular platform for PC gaming, and whether you are a returning veteran or a brand new user setting up your library for the first time, knowing the proper login procedures and security protocols is absolutely essential to protect your digital assets and game library. We will be walking through the entire process step by step, from the initial entry of your credentials to handling the Steam Guard verification process, which is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. This method works perfectly whether you are using the dedicated Steam desktop client on Windows or Mac, or if you are simply trying to access your library via the official Steam website. If this video helps you get back into your games quickly and safely, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy to follow tech guides. Let's get started with the first phase of the process. To begin, you need to open the Steam client on your computer or navigate to store.steampowered.com in your web browser. Once the page or application has loaded, look for the login button. On the website, this is usually located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and click Login. You will now see a prompt asking for your Steam account name and your password. It is important to remember that your account name is not necessarily your display name that your friends see in-game. This is the unique identifier you created when you first signed up for the platform. Carefully type in your Steam account name or the email address associated with the account. Following that, move to the next field and enter your password. I always recommend using a password manager to ensure you are entering complex, unique passphrases that keep your game secure. If you are using a public or shared computer, make sure the Remember Me box is unchecked before you proceed. Once you have entered those details, click the Sign In button. Now, if you have been responsible with your account security, you should see a prompt for Steam Guard. This is a secondary layer of protection that triggers whenever you sign in from a new device or browser. Steam Guard will send a unique verification code to either your registered email address or directly to the Steam mobile app on your smartphone. If you are using the email method, open your inbox in a separate tab, locate the message from Steam support, and copy the 5-character alphanumeric code. If you are using the mobile authenticator, open the Steam app on your phone, navigate to the Steam Guard tab, and you will see a rotating code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Enter this code into the box on your computer screen exactly as it appears. This step is critical because even if someone has your password, they cannot access your account without this physical secondary code. After you have typed in the verification code, click the Sign In or Submit button. Steam will then authenticate your session and take you directly to your store page or your library. If you are logging in via the desktop app, you may notice the client performing a quick update to sync your cloud saves and friend list. This is perfectly normal. It is also a great time to check your privacy settings to ensure your profile is visible only to the people you want to share it with. If you ever find that you aren't receiving your Steam Guard codes, make sure to check your spam folder or ensure that your mobile device time is synced correctly with the server clock. Keeping your account secure should be your #1 priority when gaming online. By using these steps, you ensure that your progress, your inventory, and your personal information remain safe from potential threats. We have officially covered the complete login process, including the vital security check step. If you followed along, you should now be fully signed in and ready to download or play your favorite titles. If this video helped you out today, remember to hit that like and subscribe button to help the channel grow, and so you don't miss any of our upcoming 2026 gaming guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.